Hey guys, it's Bree from Makeup Designory, and I'm here to talk about our new professional palettes. I grabbed two palettes here. These are our foundation palettes. I wanted to talk to you guys because they come in these new clear palettes. So they're magnetic, so you can take them right like this, okay? Pretty simple and easy, but they're still labeled on the back according to their undertone and shade. And I grabbed two, so I'm going to grab the foundation palette. So for those of you who want to have a couple of these in your kit, it makes it really simple. You can just stack them like this, or you could even take one of the plastics off if you need a little more space in your kit and stack them that way. It's really nice. It makes it a lot easier. So I just wanted to show you that. It's one of our new features. So we have this for our cream foundations, both foundations, the highlight and shadow, and also the correctors. So you can have the 4-stack there. And then for my kit, I actually have another empty one for all of our contour powder, so it makes it really easy. We've also gone through a little bit of a reformulation because our products are international. There's a lot of different things that happen, especially in Europe, that we had to change some of the formulas. So I wanted to just talk to you about the consistency. I think this is the best formulation that we have had. I've been with Mud for almost 6 years, and for me, it's so creamy and so amazing. But a lot of times with ingredients, you just got to think about it like any other ingredient. When you pick up a liquid foundation, one of the first things you're supposed to do is shake well. So sometimes when these get into heat, right now it is summer in Valencia and it is hot, hot, hot. So sometimes you might see something like this where you'll see the oils coming to the surface of the product. So there's nothing wrong with it. I just want you guys to know that you can just take something like this, and you can either take your sponge, you can take a brush, you can use a tissue and just kind of wipe it away. It's really simple. There's nothing wrong with the product. It's no different than shaking it like you would a liquid foundation. Okay, so first I'm going to just use the GY3, and I'm going to use my sponge and just mix those oils right back in. Excellent. And I'm just going to show you a quick application on my hands. It's nice and smooth, gives you great coverage, good mobility. Or you can use a brush. I'm going to go in with GY2. Same idea, just mixing that oil back into the foundation. Let's get more on my brush. And just buff that right into my hand. Getting a nice, smooth, even application.